My friend, today I am going to start problem set 1. Here we will discuss about the difficult examples from question number 5 and 6. This video is for the students having great ambitions. Your first example is for Cramer's rule. 3x minus 2y equal to 5 by 2. 3x minus 2y equal to 5 by 2. First equation, and second is 1 by 3x plus 3y equal to minus 4 by 3. Here minus is most important. See here, second equation. Both equation in standard form, but both having fraction. Then here first multiply a particular number, just like multiply first equation by 2 and second multiply by 3. Then we get integers. Therefore, here multiply equation first by 2 and second by 3. See here, multiply means multiply each term. Therefore, 2 into 3, that is 6x, 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4y, equal to 2 into 5 by 2. Here 2 cancel, we get just 5. Take number third. And next 3 into 1 by 3, just remain x. 3 into 3, therefore 9y equal to minus 4 by 3 into 3, we get minus 4. This is equation number 4. Now equation number 3rd and 4 solved by Cramer's rule. Therefore, here most important code for Cramer's rule. Code is 12, 32, 13. 12 related to D. Therefore, here D equal to first. 12 means first column and second column. First column is 6, 1 and second column is minus 4, 9. Now expand the determinant. 6 into 9, 54, minus in bracket minus 4 into 1, minus 4. Therefore, 54 plus 4 equal to 58. This is the value of D. Now dx. dx related code is 32. 32 means third column and second column. See here, third column is 5 minus 4. Here code is very important. And minus 4, 9. Expand. 9 into 5, 45 minus in bracket minus 4 into minus 4. Here multiplication, therefore minus minus plus, that is 16. Equal to 45 minus 16 equal to 29. That is the value of dx. Now find dy. Here related code is 13. 13 means first column and third column. Here first column is 6, 1 and third is 5 minus 4. Very easy method. 6 into minus 4, minus 24, minus 5 ones are 5. That is minus 29. Now by Cramer's rule, x equal to dx by d. The value of dx is 29. Means 29 upon 58. That is 1 by 2. And y equal to dy by d. dy is minus 29 upon d equal to 58. Here minus 1 by 2. Therefore, solution of equation is x equal to 1 by 2 and y equal to minus 1 by 2. Here second example is x plus y minus 8. X plus y minus 8 upon 2 equal to x plus 2y minus 14 upon 3 equal to 3x minus y upon 4. See here, example expressed with different form. Here given 3 ratio, first, second and third. Now first create 2 equation by using this ratio, just like use first and second ratio and create first equation. X plus y minus 8 upon 2 equal to x plus 2y minus 14 upon 3. Here use cross multiplication. Therefore 3 in bracket x plus y minus 8 equal to 2 in bracket x plus 2y minus 14. Now 3x plus 3y minus 24 equal to 2x plus 4y minus 28. Now transfer variable term in LHS. Therefore 3x minus 2x plus 3y minus 4y equal to minus 28 plus 24. Solve this. 3x minus 2x means just x minus y equal to minus 4. This is first equation. Now use first and third ratio. Here we can use second and third also, but here use first and last. X plus y minus 8 upon 2 equal to 3x minus y upon 4. Again use cross multiplication, means here 4 in bracket x plus y minus 8 equal to 2 in bracket 3x minus y. 4x plus 4y minus 32 equal to 6x minus 2y. Simplify this. 4x minus 6x plus 4y plus 2y equal to 32. 4x minus 6x equal to minus 2x plus 6y equal to 32. Here each term divisible by 2. Therefore we can divide each term by 2. Therefore we get minus x plus 3y equal to 16. That is second equation. Now here collect first and second equation. Here x minus y equal to minus 4. Here first equation, and second is minus x plus 3y equal to 16. This is second equation. Now solve by Cramer's rule, by use code here 12, 32 and 30. Here D equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 3. Here 3 ones are 3 minus multiply minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Therefore 3 minus 1 equal to 2. That is the value of D. Second, dx equal to, dx is related code 32. 32 means third column, minus 4 16, and second is minus 1 3 equal to minus 4 into 3 minus 12 minus in bracket 16 into minus 1 minus 16 equal to minus 12 plus 16 equal to 4. See here, minus 12 plus 16. Here 16 is large number, therefore positive 4. And here dy equal to 13. 13 means first and third column. First 1 minus 1 and minus 4 16. Expand 1 into 16 means 16 minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4. That is 16 minus 4 equal to 12. Now by using Cramer's rule, x equal to dx by d. The value of dx is 4 upon d equal to 2, that is 2, and y equal to dy by d. Here dy equal to 12 upon d equal to 2 equal to 6. Therefore, x equal to 2 and y equal to 6 is solution of given equation and box. That is answer. Here next question from question number 6. Example is 148 upon x plus 231 upon y equal to 527 upon xy. Given equation number first and second, 231 upon x plus 148 upon y equal to 610 upon xy. Equation number second. Now first multiply both by xy. To cancel here denominator xy, and we get a simple example, means standard equation. See here, xy into 148 upon x plus xy into 231 upon y equal to xy into 527 upon xy. Cancel y cancel, x cancel. We get 148y plus 231x equal to 527. This is third equation. Similarly, fourth equation is 231y plus 148x equal to 610. This is fourth. After observation, see here the coefficient of y is 148. In second equation, means fourth equation, coefficient of x is 148. This is alter change. Therefore, adding equation third and fourth. See here, after addition, 148 plus 231 means 379 y plus 379x equal to 73 means 1137. Now each term divisible by 379. Therefore, divide by 379. We get y plus x equal to 3. This is fifth equation. Now subtract equation fourth from third. Subtracting equation 4 from third. Therefore, here 148y plus 231x equal to 527, that is third, and next is 231y plus 148x equal to 610. Here subtraction, therefore change the sign of each term. This is very important point for subtraction. Change the sign of each term. Therefore, here minus 83y plus 83x equal to minus 83. Now here divide each term by minus 83. Divide by minus 83. We get y minus x divided by minus 83. Therefore, sign change. Here y minus x equal to 1. That is equation number 6. Now solve equation 5th and 6th. See here, equation number 5th is y plus x equal to 3. That is equation number 5. To solve equation, now adding equation 5th and 6th. addition. Here minus x plus x cancel, plus y equal to 2 1 equal to 1 plus is 4. Therefore y equal to 2. Put y equal to 2 in equation 5th, that is 2 plus x equal to 3. Therefore x equal to 3 minus 2, that is x equal to 1. Therefore solution of equation is x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. X equal to 1 and y equal to 2 is solution. Try to solve other examples from problem set first. If you have any difficulties, mention in comment box. Best of luck. Run PC class. Yash Amkar.